Today we are building a high-tech robot. But first we will need to assemble it, which is so cool. Just by watching this metal high-tech hub motor gives me goosebumps. Can't wait to assemble it. Once assembled, this robot can run at 4 meters per second, which is quite high, around 15 kilometers per hour. It can also carry up to 8 kilograms of payload, which is quite cool because imagine what other stuff you could add, maybe a camera here, maybe a horn, maybe a grabbing hook or something like that. The main brain of the robot has an extra output here with the serial communication and power, which right now is connected to a simple RGB strip, but you could connect any other thing here. Imagine that, maybe a grabbing hook, maybe a camera, maybe add a head which can move around or grab something, or who knows. And as you have seen, it is very agile with these motors, it has a lot of power and is very fast. It can easily make a flip of 720 degrees. So 720 degrees, imagine that. It's crazy. Now the app that I have, which is this one here, does not have the option for the flips because this model here was sent to me when it was a prototype. Right now this is a Kickstarter, but you will get the one with all the extras. So have that in mind. It can also climb stairs and slopes of 30 degrees. And it moves using 12 of these high performance motors, brushless motors. These are inside of a hub. They have a lot of power, they have encoding system, they have a serial communication, they have sensors. So yeah, pretty neat. The battery that it comes with right now can last up to 1.5 hours of continuous walking, and if you don't use it that much, it could withstand even more. Oh, and by the way, the body is fully customizable. Actually, we could try to design and 3D print a case, maybe make a head and add some other parts here. You will see online that some other guys already made a 3D enclosure for it. So having this body like this, you could add parts and make it look however you want. You can control this using the app that they give you, but if you're brave enough, you could also maybe, once you have it, start coding. You could also use OpenClaw. I've seen some videos online that you could control this with OpenClaw and send it commands and make any series of sequences that you want. Maybe walk, sit down, maybe jump, then walk again. Who knows? It's pretty cool having a robot. But anyway, let's see how I've got from only parts to this beast. So let me show you my process of adopting this robot cat. Actually robot Panther, because this is called Black Panther X. And this is the evolution of a series of Black Panthers evolving each time, and you can see all the details about this in the description below, and if you also want one, maybe support them on Kickstarter. What, Yoko? You also want to get to know this Black Panther? She's a panther as you are. I will leave these parts inside of the case because as you can see they are separated into legs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, and this is the same because these motors are not the same. As you can see, this one has one shape, this one has a different shape. So in order not to mix them, I will leave them like this and follow the guide and assemble this robot. Then I have the main bars for the frame of the body together with a bunch of screws, washers, even bearings, some tools that we need. Then we have the upper part of each leg and the middle part of the robot, and then the bottom part and the joints, which are the motors. To be sincere, I don't even have a guide, so if I can make it without a guide, you for sure will be able to assemble it with a guide. I don't have it because this is one of the first models that they've sent me, since this is a Kickstarter, but you will get it with a guide, so yeah. Anyway, as an engineer, I usually ignore the guides, see till something smokes out. That's the basic engineering step. What? To assemble one leg we need these parts, and I will only show you one because the rest are the same. We start by adding this main shaft, then we add one of these radial bearings, then is the other part of the leg and another bearing. Now we can close this with this other part and add the washer and screw here. Now get the power transfer rod and we add one of these bushings here and another one on the other side. Now we pass the rod through the leg, we add one of these screws and tighten it on the other side. On the other side we add this part on the same way, we fit it, add one of the screws, and now we tie the screw. Now we slide the motor and we have to fit this shape here with the shape that we have here below. Now that connection is made to the motor, we can close this cap and add the screws. Finally, we add the rubber fit like this, and we do these two parts, one here, and we add the screw. So that's how you make one leg, and the rest, the other three are just the same. But pay attention because some parts have an R for right and an L for left. That's why you have two like this and the other two on the other side. And make sure that you follow the R and L because otherwise you will have a leg backwards. Now that we have the four legs, we have to make the main cage of the robot, front part, the back part, and we merge them together with four bars using these screws here. And now I'll have to add these two on the bottom because this is where will go the main case, right inside here. Now that we have the body, we have to add these motors here, one for each leg, and we close them with this bracket. Okay, now we have all four motors and now we have to add these brackets. And remember, these brackets have the front left and rear right label, so make sure that you add each one in the corresponding corner. So now we'll add this and then we join this part with the legs. Now that we have those brackets, we add the second motor like this. And on the other side as well, we add them one of these kind of bearing, one here, and on top we add this part, and to keep that in place we also add this here. Okay, I went back and added all the screws. As you can see now, everything is tight. So now this is the back part, now we'll do the same for the front part. Now we add these four brackets to each leg, which will be the joint between the body and the leg. Go like this. Now with the bracket in place, we can add one leg and we do the same for all of the legs. There you go. And now we add the screws. Okay, so all the motors, all the legs are in place, so I'm guessing that the next part is to add the brain of the robot and then hook these wires to the motors. We have two outputs here and two more outputs here, a total of four because two will go to the motors but the rest are connected in series because these motors have an input and an output that goes to the next. I'm guessing that is using serial communication to control each of the motors. So yeah, let's just do that. Okay, the battery and the brain of the motor, the robot is in place. Now we have a bunch of wires, as you can see, because we have to connect from the output to the first motor, to the second and to the third for all four legs. So everything is connected. I think I have everything okay, so it's the moment of truth. Just pour it on. I shouldn't do this on the table, but anyway. Connect it to the robot, online, reset joints. And now, stand up. It's alive! Oh my god, it's huge! Woo! Chill, bro. That's crazy. Okay, and lie down. Okay! Let's take it outside. Ooh. Let's go outside. What? So guys, I've been playing with this for a few hours. Right now the battery is charging. Actually, my entire family gathered around to play with it because it's very fun. Now I don't have the updated app so I could make flips and that, but I can't wait to program this. So when I'll be getting in touch with the Mirror Meet guys, and maybe they will send me some code and the software that I need to program this, because I can't wait to make a sequence of steps like walk here, get here, maybe add the GPS. I'm not even sure if it has a GPS, but it would be nice to work with this with GPS and add a first person view camera and go on the field with it. It should be quite nice. Actually, one of the parts that I most liked was to assemble this. It's so mechanical, it's so well made. I had fun assembling it as well. If you also want a robot like this, go to the Kickstarter page. I'll try to leave all the links below. I'm not sure when I will be posting this video, if this will be still a Kickstarter or just a product. But yeah, it will have a lot of improvements. And also maybe I will share a design for the 3D case that I will design. And stay tuned for that. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this beast, this Black Panther X, as in the same way that I did, and that you enjoyed the assemble process. And see you in the next video. Keep up, you guys! A quick final message for you guys. Thank you very much for your support on Patreon or any other platform. Now, I will be sincere, it's not easy anymore on YouTube. I'm working more and earning less, but thanks to your support on my platforms, on my shop and on my Patreon, I can keep on going. So if you consider supporting my work and you like what I do, you have the link for all my support below in the description. Thank you very much and keep up, you guys.